Hello, I'm Rob from the new Art Gallery Walsall, and I am here to give you 8 fantastic reasons why you should be visiting our gallery this February half term. So first up, I should let you know about our Sunday Art Club. This happens every Sunday that we are open throughout the year. If you get one of our family programs here, just inside it gives you all the dates, everything that's happening. So at the beginning of half term, 15th of February, we have monochrome making. So get creative with just all papers, black and white. Work with an artist and see how you can really work creatively with some really simple materials. And then at the very end of half term, we're going to bump up the colour and you're going to work with oil pastels, blending them to make some fabulous artworks inspired by our flower paintings up in the gallery spaces. Number 2, so we have got this free art trail. Lunar New Year falls within half term this year. It is the year of the fire horse. So here you can explore all our artworks containing horses. It will take you around the gallery so you can make some arty discoveries for yourself. So with it being Lunar New Year and Year of the Horse, all our half-term activities are based around that fantastic animal. And in at number 3, we have got our self-guided activity, which will be happening between the Tuesday and the Friday. You can come in, pick up one of our templates and create your own galloping horse. Decorate the template with stickers, with wool, with pens, and then put your fingers through these holes to make the legs and make your horse gallop around the gallery. On to number 5, Wednesday the 18th of February, we have Wednesday for All, a free workshop between the hours of 11 and 3 o'clock. Everybody is welcome. We have power ponies and fire horses. Make your own fabulous fire horse out of recycled materials. Number 6, I'm really excited to tell you about our Young Masters workshop, which happens on Thursday, the 19th of February. This half term, you'll be working with Kate from Stitcherty. She's a master of all things fabric and sewing and knitting. And on Thursday, you will be creating these incredible and really cute felt horse key rings that you can hang from your favorite bag or from anywhere really. Pre-booking for these sessions is essential. There's a morning session and an afternoon session. Numbers are limited and it costs £4.50 per child, but it's a really useful skill and a really fun way to learn about sewing as well. Number 7, we have got our celebration day for Lunar New Year on Saturday, the 21st of February. A free day here at the gallery, full of activities, performances. We've got lion dancing in reception. We'll have storytelling with some traditional Chinese instruments. We've got arts workshops, which are free to join in, and also some glitter tattoos. Lots and lots happening. So come along, everybody is welcome. It would be great to see you here on Saturday the 21st of February celebrating Lunar New Year with us. And finally at number 8, don't forget we are an art gallery. We have got 5 floors of exhibition spaces, all free to visit, something different on every floor. So please do come along, bring your family and explore the galleries at your own pace. So there we have it, 8 amazing reasons why you should be visiting us here at the new Art Gallery Walsall this February half term. We look forward to meeting you here.